Here we go, getting ready.
Alright, make sure it stays straight. Stop turning it.
Okay.
How's the alignment?
Good. Okay, this is going on there.
Okay,
Gonna hit that
light. 1, 2, come on there. Okay, hold. Okay. 1, 2. How's the back, guys?
Okay.
We gotta come way forward.
Easy.
Easy.
Easy. Go forward.
Forward.
All right.
Hold.
Easy. Hold on. Hold on. You are right over this hole, man.
Yeah, I know.
Okay.
I'm good. Yeah, no way. We're way off.
You're good. Forward.
You guys gotta go to your right. Yeah. Big time. Go.
There you go. You got it.
Now down.
That's it.
Hold on. Car's gotta go back. Mike, it's gotta come back. Back where?
Backwards.
Just towards you
It's
about
not right. It's not
half an
right
inch.
here.
Yeah, I know. Hey.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, that back for us.
Watch it sitting on the steering wheel.
What's hitting the steering?
The steering wheel will just spun around when you do that. Just watch that.
Oh.
Yeah.
But is it easier to just move? I was just gonna say, it's easier to move the front and stuff, but I guess not.
We got to do the car. I guess.
Moofy.
Are you gonna hear it now?
Okay, look over
Like the
here.
way you got the
Bring
straps
the
on
tires
your
up.
neck in case there's an
Bring it
earthquake
back
or something, you won't lose the camera.
Got it?
Gotta be
Cut
prepared.
it now. So yep, there you go.
That's what you should do, move right there.
That's the
Thanks.
front.
Whoever has the
Okay,
camera
straighten it
will
out.
have the strap
We are
on.
really good.
Gotta do it.
All right, cut it the other way.
Hard! Hard!
As hard as it goes.
Hard!
Curly.
Straight. Steering wheel back in.